Welcome to Easy Electra. In this video, we will explore the input and output ports of the Siemens S7-1200 PLC, explaining their functions and interactions with industrial devices. The S7-1200 PLC comes with built-in digital and analog I/O ports, and additional modules can be added for expansion. The digital input ports receive signals from sensors and switches, while digital output ports control actuators and indicators. Analog input ports read variable signals from sensors, and analog output ports send continuous signals to devices like VFDs. Communication ports include a Profinet Ethernet port for programming and networking, along with optional RS-485 for Modbus RT. Expansion slots allow for additional modules. The left side of the PLC has diagnostic LEDs, the run-stop LED indicates operational status, the error LED signals faults, and the main LED alerts for maintenance. Signal processing in TIA portal allows real-time monitoring, forcing of I/O and troubleshooting. Stay tuned for more industrial automation tutorials. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Electra. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.